This is Unpacked Spotlight presented by Nosco, and today we're going to be talking about folding carton paperboard. So the folding carton was invented in the late 1800s, and over the course of decades, the product has continued to soldier on as the standing sales tool. It informs and engages customers in the aisle, and it oftentimes can be the decision maker whether a consumer buys their product at retail or not. In addition to that, it protects the product in ways that are cost effective and beautiful. So an often overlooked area as it relates to folding cartons is the substrate. Those materials can really drive different levels of performance depending on the requirement for your package, such as recyclability, product durability, and finally, the print performance on the face of the sheet. So for this spotlight, we're going to focus in on 3 common materials that are used for folding carton today. Even though they look very similar, they offer different benefits as far as durability, cost, and certainly sustainability. So let's get into the first one. So SBS is comprised of bleach pulp throughout the body of the board. It has a smooth clay coating on the surface that allows high quality print, but is also available in recycled content grades as well. So if sustainability is important to you, this board can be available with up to 30% post-consumer waste. In addition to that, it offers good die cutting as well as being white on both sides of the board. So solid unbleached sulfate is very similar to SBS. However, for some brands, the brown back may be a value or maybe a hindrance depending on your application. Now, this too is available in certain levels of recycled content as far as if you're trying to achieve a sustainability goal in your packaging. This is an area too of consideration because it too is available in a sustainable grade of board as well. So as far as the clay coating on the surface here, again, it's really trying to overcome the brown body of the board. So you're not going to get nearly the bright white, if you will, compared to SBS when printing product. But again, this is for customers that really need a higher strength board for applications where moisture and condensation is a consideration. This is the preferred board for that type of application. Next, we're going to talk about folding box board or FBB. This substrate offers something very similar to what we've seen before, but at a lower weight and a slightly lower cost. This material is comprised of 3 layers. It has a chemically pulped layer, a mechanical pulped center layer, as well as a chemical pulp on the backside. It too has a white appearance, but offers some of the benefits of SBS as far as the smoothness of the sheet, the bright white, the color saturation is very good on this material. However, it comes with a slight weight reduction. Depending on your application, FBB may be a better fit for you compared to the previous materials that we talked about earlier. So as it relates to substrates, we talked about a variety of different features and benefits from print surface to recyclability and board performance. Please work with our packaging advisors to ensure that you're making the best choice as it relates to substrate for your packaging program. I hope you found this Unpacked Spotlight helpful. If you have questions, just know we're here to help.